my name is Cynthia Lipio, and this is my sister Melba Spooner. I was part of the movement back in 1969-70 with César Chávez and Larry. My parents weren't happy with it because my father was a farm worker and foreman. But I was part of the movement. I couldn't believe the things that were going on with the workers in the camps and in the fields. That's why I thought, no, I'm going to be part of this movement. This is not right how they're treating us. So I was part of it, and I was very proud of it. I'm so awed at this park this day to celebrate Larry Itliong and what he went through, what they all went through, and just have a place like this. It's beautiful. It's just amazing to have and be part of this and part of our history. And I tried to get my son to come, but he didn't come. So, next time I'll try to have him come and visit this place. But it's such an honor to be part of this, that he did so much for the Filipino farm workers, and it's just going on. And we're gonna mark this day, and we're gonna mark the times we come here. We come here every month, and we're gonna check this place out every time we come. So thank you so much.
Thank you. And then, do you want to introduce yourself?
Oh. Okay, my name is Melba Spooner. I was a Lipio, so we grew up here in Delano, and so as my sister said, we grew up during the movement. And my parents my dad, as she said, was a farm foreman, and so my parents were really kind of against it, but we knew what was going on because they were getting minimum wage. Yeah. And just the hardship. I mean, we tried to work out in the fields, and I think two times was the max for me, and I go, that's just too much work. I said, they work hard, and they really need to be honored for the work that they did. So what he did and what he stood for is important. And I'm glad that they honor him with this park, because he needs to be recognized for all that he's done for this community. And we look forward to what's going on in the future, and that the history of him will go on here in Delano.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about what it was like growing up here in Delano, and being a part of the farm workers movement, especially as a woman?
Well, as a woman, I mean, we were made fun of because of being Filipino, so that was really hard, we went to school at Fremont, and we didn't realize on the other side of the tracks is like, more well-off people, and we were kind of treated poorly. And then back then we only had one high school here, Delano High, and so like I graduated in 1970, she graduated in 1971. And it was at my graduation that one of the farm worker, the union, he came, and in my ceremony, my high school graduation, he grabbed the mic and was talking about César Chávez. And the whole front row just beat that poor. I was just standing there. I was in shock. I couldn't believe that this was going on, that they were beating up this 5 or 6 white people were beating up on this little, farm worker. I thought, what is going on? I was so ashamed of them. And I was just in shock that had happened to him. And I thought, at my graduation, but for them, the way the people were treating the Hispanic, the movement, the people, it was awful. And that was one thing that I took off for my graduation that I was really sorry for, that happened to him. So that was a memorable time, but yeah, we lived through it, and look at us now. We've got this beautiful park, and it's going to be down in history, and we're going to be celebrating for a long, long time. So thank you.
Thank you. Did you want to share anything?
We didn't know any better. I thought when we were growing up, we had as much as we could have. And we were fortunate for what we had, and Mom was so good at saving the money with the minimal amount of wages they got. She was able to save a lot. We had food on the table and clothes to wear. And so I had loved living here in Delano. So I had a wonderful time. My graduates, I went to school with Domi and Sammy here, and so we had a wonderful time. I'm smiling. So I appreciate you asking, but I loved growing up here, but I moved away.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.